Hi everybody, it's Lorraine. It's ADHD Alternative Homestead here on Thursday. What day is today? It's August 16, 2021. I'm in one of my fields burning some trash, planted trees today, and we've got an apricot tree over here. And I forget what this one is. I think this is an apple tree. And then we've got a peach tree over here, and I'm setting up some flower boxes and vegetable boxes here. These were actually from a pallet company that were selling them individually, and they're stackable, so you can stack them on top of each other and have two or three or more. They've already been vandalized, so some idiot has been on my property. Whenever I install new things, there's somebody coming onto the property and destroying it, like this scribble. There's like a lot of scribbling here. I don't know. I mean, these people are just so immature, jealous, losers. But so I'm kind of setting up for a winter garden. I didn't get a chance to do a really good garden this year because of the passing of my mom in March and having to fly to New York to take care of her affairs. But let's see what I can show you here. This was set up today. I've got two little cute little greenhouses. They're soft, really soft plastic, but it gets so hot in here. Let me tell you, it gets so hot, and little bugs are stuck in here. I cut one of my, I don't know if you could see this. I planted sunflowers earlier, and I took down most of them, but this one was hanging down and the birds weren't eating it. They couldn't get to it, so I cut it off. I'm letting it dry out in here, and then I'll leave it for them to eat these seeds or save some of them. It's for planting next year. So this is what it looks like in here. I put some stones on the bottom here so I won't have to cut the grass. But it actually gets really hot in here. It is amazing when this panel is closed, and I've got two of them side by side. When this panel is closed, it is so hot. It's like I can have a good sweat in here if I want to. And I'll be planting some fruit and vegetable seeds in here soon. But I just wanted to give you a show here on the old homestead, and we had a lot of rain. In fact, 3¼ inches of rain according to my rain gauge, and the stream in back of my house here was really roaring. I mean, there have been times when I could just walk in it and there hasn't been much of a trickle, but it was roaring, and we've still got a lot of water in here, which is nice. And it just sounds so nice. I love it. Right, I'm going to go check on my little chickie poos. Here's my cat Marco. Marco is hanging out with the chicory nuts. I'm drying some chicory nuts here on the driveway. And Marco, do you want to say hello? You want to say hello to everybody? Oh, yes. I'm going to show my belly. I'm so cute. Look at me. And here we have Miss Venus. Venus is an indoor-outdoor girl also. She hangs out in her cat building. We've got a 501c3 nonprofit cat rescue sanctuary where cats have a home for life. It's called Freya's Cat Rescue. And that is our building. That's our rescue building right there. Most of the cats stay in there 24/7. But we've got a few that are trusted that will come out for a few hours, hang out, and then go back in at night. This little critter here, he won't go in that building. He only sleeps in my house. Right, Marco? Like when we moved here, you were only sleeping with me when I was sleeping in my car for 6 weeks. But, so here, I don't know if you can see it, the sun is really bright, but I stacked three of these boxes on top of each other so that I can plant potatoes and rooted vegetables here. I don't know if you could see it, the sun is very strong. But we've got three on top of each other. You can use one level, two, or three, but you know, the older you get, you don't want to be leaning over so much, and it's kind of nice to have a cover on top of it. I mean, the cats kind of sit on top of it sometimes during the day, but right now I don't have anything planted in here. I'm trying to cover it up with some cardboard, get the weeds down. But that's it for now. I'm going to go run some errands and hope everybody's having a good day. Venus, you want to say goodnight to everybody? You want to say goodnight, hon? Okay, we're a little antisocial. Martha, do you want to say goodnight to everybody? Huh? Yeah. Good night, everybody.